Welcome back, everybody, to Agrarian Skies 2 for Efferz. I have kind of built up an automated system. I remember in the last episode I accidentally dropped that there, and I've kind of made the best of it. I've got the 8 crucibles feeding into a hardened portable tank, into a lava generator, which the hammer and the sieve are going for. But if you notice, the hammer only does cobble to gravel. So I have been hard at work. I have actually created a hardened energy cell and 6 pulverizers. So I'm actually going to make 2 more of these and 2 more of these. But the idea is that I'm going to set these guys probably go this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. And they probably won't be this way. I might have them coming this way or something. But the idea is going to be they come out of here. This one grinds all the way to dust, goes into auto sieve. This one goes to sand, auto sieve. This one goes to gravel, auto sieve. It's going to cost a little bit more energy to do this than it is to do this, but this is going to go faster, and it's going to allow for all 3 sets. That's going to be one of my problems, is the tree farm right there. I might actually get rid of this one. That one's doing pretty good by itself. But today's build is all about getting all 3 things going through the sieve. That way, if you notice, I've been pretty busy on the wall. I've got quite a bit of materials. I do have this automatically setting up ingots. This one I don't, because I was having an issue with it. It was glitching out, but I can still do it manually, and it still pulls out the bottom and goes into the chest here. That's a big tree. I have been messing with my raiding hoe, and if you see, it's got a bunch of extras and stuff. It's got 4 add-ons or modifiers, and I've put 2 of them on there. I put the lapis and some redstone on there. And that's just been walking over here. I made this mob farm mainly because I want to start working on the quests. After I get the pulverizer set up, I've pretty much gotten what I was looking for as far as the starter, as I said I was going to do. After that, I'm pretty much going to be working on the quest to open up a few extra things, and then we're going to go from there and see what else we can accomplish. By the way, my son is definitely watching this. Hello, Efferz. He is enjoying what's going on, and he actually told me that he wants to do this himself at some point. So I might switch this map over to like a multiplayer server and figure that out so that he can jump on here and play with me. So with that, I will be back once I figure out how to get that going, and I get the setup for the energy. Yeah, by the way, I don't know if I said, but I did do 2 magmatic dynamos. So my goal is to put this in line feeding to this, and the 2 magmatic dynamos feeding to the energy cell, and then that feeding out to these guys. So I will be back here in a few minutes once I figure out what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I actually did do this. I will have to figure out exactly how to clear, say, the extras that come out. But it does go in here, feed the gravel, which feeds the sieve, and it's going in here. You'll see that one is now doing dust. This one is now doing this. I do need to take this, go that, set it up to where it automatically pull it out. There we go. Now, that's already going in there. So you notice it is going in there. Should be, yep, it's emptying out. That's emptying out. That's going in there. Oh yeah. Turn you back on. I turned it off because I wasn't sure if I was going to leave it there or not. The nice thing is I have everything over here running, and this is not losing power at all. These are staying, this is building up, that's building up. This one is not building up. But it is running, so it's probably taking from here, and then here, and then in the middle. But yeah, this is definitely doing pretty much what I wanted. I am gonna have to figure out how to fix the overflow problem, because I'm gonna be coming in here a lot and taking care of all this. Doesn't seem to be too bad. I'm wondering why isn't this working? I also need to extend my item ducts. There we go. Because, yeah, this is completely out of lava. And that is half full of lava. So this is keeping up. This, I am not so sure about. I might have to find another something to do, or build another one of this situation, say over here, just to feed into these guys. Yay, it's raining. I will figure that out. I don't necessarily mind jumping over here and doing this part. I mean, it is working. As you can see, there are stuff over here. It's just not quickly. But I think once this builds up, that's building up. So this is not going to get it as much. I'm wondering. Let's see here. This is going to be pretty ugly, but let's see if that makes a difference. You know what? I'll go ahead and throw one there. Get rid of that. Throw one there. There. That one should have its own. Ah, wrong button. Yeah. That. Get rid of that. Okay. So now in theory, This one will feed this pulverizer and these guys. And this one will feed this pulverizer and this pulverizer. So let's see. Hey, that does seem to be working. And as soon as that one fills up, it should start filling these bad boys up. So we can, yeah, start getting some lava, because I'm going to run out pretty quickly. I mean, this is, the power's keeping up, but it is taking quite a bit of lava. And while we are waiting for that, let's go ahead and come over here and kill ourselves some monsters. See if, yeah, let's see if we can get another level on our Matic. They're killing each other, why can't we? Alright, we just got beheading. Throw that up there. That is a big tree. What's holding you up? Ah, flint. Gotta kind of keep up on this. Not too bad. It's been pretty easy so far. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the ducts off in here. Let's go ahead and put a diamond upgrade in each, or fortune upgrade, sorry. I believe it's supposed to make you get a higher chance to get stuff. Not exactly sure. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put the other one in this one, because maybe that'll give us a chance to get more redstone as we go. Those are not cheap, but I will eventually fill them all up. Let me go ahead and throw the automatic hammer in here. It was nice. It definitely did what I wanted it to do. Just kind of outgrown it. I've been running into a hard time getting redstone, and so I really wanted to get specifically this line set up, because now I have redstone regen, or redstone generation. Oh yeah, really cool as well. While I was killing something yesterday, while I was setting up the main hammer and stuff, I killed a monster on the spawner and I got this. It's probably like my third or fourth kill over here, so that's pretty cool. It makes me run a little bit faster. It's not OP, but if you look, you can definitely see the little bit of haste when you take it on and off. Guy didn't want to die. I don't think he understood he's supposed to die. Oh, right on. We got a common treasure. Let's see what we get. We got... well, we didn't get the bow. Potion of Regen 2. And some gold coins. I have gotten these before. Messing around. So we're going to go ahead and go over here. Got some coins there. And in one of these boxes over here, I have, yeah, potions. Okay. So I think, so I should be getting, I think I have one in here. Yes, a charged cestus quartz. So eventually from this line right here, I'll get some charged cestus quartz. And I am actually going to set up an ME system downstairs. I have not made it downstairs yet. That is my next major project because this is kind of ugly. It's going to get what I need done, but it's not doing what I want it to do. I mean, it is, but it's not. It's doing this pulverizing everything, but I don't want to have to come in here and look at this and make sure it's not going to overflow. Cool. So it is working on this slowly, but it's working here. I'm most definitely going to have to do another one of these over here for this. I'm just not going to be able to keep up with the lava if I don't. But I have plenty of time to get materials and more importantly get the redstone that I need to make another one. So I will go ahead and get another one. I'll probably put it over here and just run it this way. And one should easily be able to keep up with these 8. I've had one keep up with 12. So I'm hoping there's not much of a problem. I will let you guys know. Hey guys, I'm back. So a lot of stuff happened after I got done. I was gonna just move stuff around and go from there, but I was a smart guy and I wasn't really paying attention to where I was at, and I had all of my machines that were all over here in my inventory, and I fell through the floor. So yeah, that was entertaining. So what I'm doing now is just getting rid of stuff that I don't really need or I have a bunch of already. I've been working on this one. I put looting and fortune on it just because I wanted to be able to get better drops from monsters. But the moss and the quartz, that was just from leveling it up. I also made an alamite pick and I put silk touch on it. And that is the silky jewel with an emerald and silky cloth, and that's made with aluminum brass nugget and string around it, or you can use gold as well. I did the aluminum brass just because I have a little bit more of that. I'll show you right now. So this and this in there, that. So this is kind of my setup right now. Just like I said, I put this one over here that's doing that, and I put my brick well next to it so that I can make obsidian when I need. And I also fed this directly back into it so that I don't have to worry about scooping up lava back and forth. It's coming out into a hardened portable tank and going up, and so I have the 2 magmatic dynamos and a lava generator feeding the hardened energy cell, and it runs everything. I have it kind of shut off right now, but it runs everything, and I keep full lava pretty well. I also added this pulverizer and smelter, induction smelter, for my own benefit and my own use. But I let this stuff run for a couple of hours, and you can see I've got a ton of stuff. The main reason I needed it was for the redstone, but I went ahead and I got plenty of that now. Now. So I, as I said before, went down and I actually created myself a little walkway, a little stair step. I'll move the torches soon enough. But I got this platform down here working pretty well. Put that there so mobs can't spawn on it. I'm going to move all the stuff that's over here and this probably right here, as well as start getting myself a little bit of a ME storage set up. But right now, I need nether quartz. So we're going to go into the nether. I have my bow, just a basic bow. My battle axe, which at this point is plus 10 attack. And my silk touch pick. So let's see what we can get ourselves. Okay, well, there's a whole bunch of stuff around. Oh, I also got a little bit of gear from. I don't know why I'm lagging so bad. It should equal out. There we go. I got a little bit of gear from my little mob spawner as well. Really am not sure why I'm lagging so bad right now. There we go. And the quartz. And I put the silk touch on here because it does have a tendency to blow up on you. I probably should have gotten a little bit better armor, but it's alright. We're going to see if we can get quite a bit of this while we're here. I'd like to at least get like a stack. What do we have here? Copper. Cool. Tainted soil, that'll be important a little bit later. I'm going to be getting a lot of the tainted soil and some nether wart when I get into Thaumcraft, because you can break down the nether wart pretty well for most of the aspects. Gold. Kind of liking there's quite a bit of this nether quartz here. And so far, only one monster spawned on me, and that was the little silverfish or whatever it's called. So that's kind of nice. What do we got here? Copper. Redstone. Oh. Not that I really need the redstone right now. As you've seen, I got plenty. But why not? It's there. Ah. Ah, I'm on fire. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get better gear before I come back in here next time. But I need a bunch of this. I'm actually doing a little better than I thought with the gear I have. I need to bring myself a matic so I can take care of that. Gold. Yeah, I got already a stack, so I'm not overly worried about it now. Let's see if I can get some lapis. There we go. Like to see if I can find some cobalt. Ah. maybe some ardite. Yeah, why not? Let's see what we got here. Copper, copper, tin. Okay, let's go ahead and actually I have some netherrack. Let's make ourselves some stairs. It's usually not smart to jump, but I've got some toasted sandwiches as normal. So I'm not that worried about the consumption of food. Iron, iron. What are you? Iron. Alright. You can never go wrong getting some ferrous. Why don't we go ahead and make ourselves a little bit of a platform there. Alright. So we're looking at about a stack and a half. So let's grab this on the way out. Alright, that's probably pretty good for now. Looks like this is a pretty closed area. So in order to get out of here, I'm going to have to tunnel somewhere. That I'm definitely not going to be doing unless I have better gear on. So yeah, I think basically 2 stacks. Wonder if we can just go ahead and finish off this stack right now. And that's probably the easiest. $54. My goal here is I really don't want to have to come back immediately. I don't mind coming back again. I mean, I'm definitely going to want to get some cobalt and some ardite and, you know, get all that figured out. But for now, this should be enough. And these guys are starting to get really crazy on me. Just want to finish the stack. Wow. Sit here and let myself regen a little bit. Should have brought one of the potions I have. I do have some instant healing potions. That would probably be a little bit smarter. Wait, is he down there? No. He is right there, though. What do we got? That's good enough. 2 stacks. Let's take this back over here and see what we get. I put a fence around here with a gate because you never know if something's going to be coming through there. Alright, let's do... get that going. Yeah, so let me grab a quest book. It's been a while since I actually looked at that thing, so let's see if there's anything that we can do real fast while we're waiting for that. No. Actually, Mossy Repair is actually quite possible. 1, 2, 3, yep. Let's go ahead and do that. And what's this one at? Go ahead and throw some more cobble down. And let's go. Mossy Repair. Now I need the moss ball, which if you take these bad boys, I need 2 more. Ah, I thought I had enough. Apparently I'm waiting. Okay. Well, in that case, let's see what else we got. Let's go ahead and make a stone miner. So it is a furnace, a stone pick, and 7 stones. Smooth stones. So, check that out, that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's that. I don't typically do much builds on screen, but I figured I'd change it up a little bit and go ahead and do a couple. Let's see how you're doing. There's pretty good. Then we need a cobble gen upgrade. There we go. That's going to require a bucket of lava, a bucket of water, 6 more stones. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's go ahead and make another bucket. I believe it was that, and that there. While we're waiting for that, we'll go ahead and get our bucket of lava and our bucket of water. So there's the bucket of water. You can see it's right there. Get the bucket of lava. Put the miner in the middle. Lava one side, water the other. Oh, wrong one. Cool. Cobblegen upgrade. And you get your buckets back, right on. So that's complete. You get a half a heart and some cobblestone. Don't really need that, but that's cool. And to be honest, I'm probably never going to use that. Oh, why not? We'll keep it. Also wanted to do, oh look, power drive. So we have some power options available. I did, however, want to do a let's see, where is it at? Sky Farm. Basic planter. Okay. I want to do this because it's going to make that a ton easier. So we need a stone planter. Stone. Alright, so it's basically the same thing with a stone hoe. I actually want to do something else as well. Cobble there. That there. And I also need item ducts. We'll use these ones. Tin and lead. Lead, tin, lead. Gonna need a lot of those. And I have plenty of stuff over here to make tin, so I'm not that worried about it either. So we got 2 stacks of that. I have another 1. Go ahead and let that run, and then 2 more stacks. Okay. Make the hoe. Ah. There. Stone planter. And to get that, we also get a stone upgrade. And I actually want to do a few of those. So you just need stone and some redstone. So I got 4. Each one is 5, so I'm going to need a few more. redstone. Let's go ahead and just drop this stuff off. Okay. I really should go ahead and say goodbye, but I really want to get this up and running first because it's going to be awesome. Alright. So if we put this down, just as an example, it's got a range of 1. So if we add these, it's got a range of 17. It's going to be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more. And and we'll go ahead and make ourselves a not sure why it's doing that. A flint pick, or no, go 1 stick. That would be the tool rod. And then we're gonna go shovel, axe, then we can go ahead and get rid of this again, just to free up a little bit of room. Oh, wrong one. Alright, so axe, tool rod, shovel. Perfect. And we have some cobblestone. So we should, in theory, be able to get over there. Yep, right where I wanted it. So go ahead and click it there. Add these in there, take that. And need some of that and a seed. So I'm going to go ahead and take a seed out of this box because I got a few extras. Oh, there we go. Take our item ducts. Yeah, why not? We'll try it right out of the side. Apparently, I don't need the... Okay, so it is taking them out. If we watch here, we should be able to see something going up. We see how much it's got, so we still need to get a few more upgrades for that. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to throw some actual coal in there as well. Pull that out, put some actual fuel in, and 53. That should, I hope, do the whole farm. Looks like... no. Looks like we need a few more. Oh. Maybe. It's definitely working. Oh, sweet. It does the whole farm. Yep, and you can see the potatoes went up. So that is now completely self-sufficient. I just have to come over here and pull them out. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a thing that eventually that turns them all into pot pies. And it's just better food. But I think that's enough for now. We'll do some more questing. And I should have a basic ME setup done by the time we get back. So for now, I'll bid you all adieu.